Today we've got a new toy to play around with. It's right here. It's not for the fish room, but it's for the mini pond. Well, maybe the outdoor ponds, the tubs, rice fish, goldfish ponds. Got a water fountain, and it's solar. It's my first time playing around with one of these. But the sad thing is, I don't think I'll be using this for our pond. So unfortunately, today's weather is not ideal for these little solar pumps. So we're coming back tomorrow when it's sunny, and hopefully we'll see this thing in action. Alright, so the brand we've got today, POPOSOAP. Forever homes for every creature. So we open it up, we've got the instruction, the manual. Very nice. I think we'll be able to work this thing out just by looking at some of the pictures and going through the steps. Let's take a look at what we've got in the box. 同じような感じ、前も。同じような感じ。じゃあすぐ組み立てます。
あ、大きい。
おお、
大きい。
So that's the pump. In the comments below, let me know which one of these two you like better. We're going to keep this one with this nozzle, the one that's kind of like a fountain effect. And this one just sprays out like this. I really like this one. I think it's cute. This is nice too, but I like how cute this thing just sprinkles out water. And of course, you don't need floats. My carpenter likes to have his floating because down in the bottom he's got a lot of these lily pad roots. It's like full of roots down there, and there's not really any place he can put this pump. He could put a cinder block, but there is really no space for cinder block. Like everywhere I tried to feel around yesterday, it's roots everywhere. So also a lot of hiding places for the rice fish.